Welcome to Introduction to Government Financial Management Information System GFMIS. GFMIS is an information system that tracks financial events of a government and summarizes financial information. GFMIS essentially has a module for budget preparation. In most countries, budget is prepared in three phases. A strategic phase, where government policy priorities are defined and indicative resource ceilings are assigned accordingly. It is followed by an estimation phase, where detailed budget estimation is carried out to implement the policy priorities set in the strategic phase. The third phase is finalization of budget estimates by the Ministry of Finance and submission to the Parliament. Budgeted amounts cannot be spent right away after the approval of the Parliament. It requires a number of budget authorization management activities. In most countries, the Parliament approves budget at a national level. For example, it approves the amount to be spent for medical and surgical supplies for the entire country. This budget needs to be distributed among various geographical locations before the actual expenditure can be made. The next step in the government financial management cycle is recording of commitment of fund. It is done in order to ensure that before a purchase is committed to, there is sufficient cash allocated for the expense, and allocation matches the appropriated budget. After procurement is done and purchase order is issued, payments can be made to the vendor through checks, EFTs, or pay orders. A large portion of the government money is also spent for salary and pension. Subsystems for management of asset, inventory, payroll, pension, etc. are linked with the payment management module. Government revenue receipts are originated from tax and customs. The cash management module monitors and forecasts cash flow and performs reconciliations between bank accounts and GFMIS records. In addition to internal revenues, the government collects funds from foreign debts and aids, and also from domestic loans. Debt and aid management systems are in place in most countries and are linked with the core modules of GFMIS. The GFMIS produces various fiscal reports which help review the budget. It also feeds information to systems for auditing and evaluation. GFMIS usually has a core treasury system with the general ledger as the heart. It covers all financial events from management of budget authorization to cash management. The budget preparation is often performed by a separate module, and the approved budget is loaded in the general ledger. There are usually separate systems for procurement, tax and customs, inventory, payroll and pension, and debt management. Those systems are interfaced with GFMIS.